Alright, y'all. If you ain't wearing your Craig 909 shirt while you're working on your F100, then you ain't doing it right. So, I'm out here, I'm finna show y'all what I did to my F100. Got a CB radio antenna up there that I put on. I ran the wire down between the bed and the cab. We're gonna go down here. That wire comes out right there between the bed and the cab, runs along this frame inside of it. I don't even know if you can see. Ran it through one of the old fuel line holders and up under my hood. That antenna line comes out right there, goes in through that hole in the firewall. Also have the power and ground, comes all the way across over here. I had to make it a little longer. Connects right here on the solenoid and is grounded where the solenoid used to mount. Wires come in right up there and go over the steering column and come to the back of the CB radio. The CB's mounted right there where Jesse Duke had his, and I do not have a mount for my mic yet. But that's pretty much the in and out of how you run a CB radio in your 68 F100. It will cut on regardless of whether the key's in it or not. And it's very loud.
And whoever is driving your car, they can still like listen to some music.
That's not for music, that's for talking on, dude.
Okay.
Y'all check out my other videos. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Say some words at the bottom of this video.